Shalom. Want to give all praises to Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahawashai, Bahasham Kakodash. Double honors to the elders and the apostles of GMS. Salutations to you brothers who's pushing the truth to the four corners, highways and byways. Want to name this video the CHARAGMA agenda. Alright? And basically, it's this video is inspired by the update that the Vice President of Guyana has given, with a new identification card that gonna have a lot of features, whereby storing bank records, a statement, and these other things with a chip in it. And we know that this is all relating to the MOTB, which in these according to Psalms 83. On down, we'll talk about the Confederates. They have Confederate against the hidden ones. Alright, starting from Edom on down. This is Revelation 13 verse 16. And he calls it all, both small and great. Right? Small, the people that's mining the society, the people that's great in the society, rich and poor. The rich people, the poor people, right? Free and bond, people that's out on the streets, and people that are in prison houses are bond, to receive a mark in their right hand, right, or in their forehead. 17, and that no man might buy or sell, right, because with this mark, right, that they're going to receive, it is the CHARAGMA, which is Greek, which means to we're basically going to implant into the flesh, or to prick, or to pierce. All right. It says, save he that hath that mark, or the name of the beast, for the number of his name. Here is wisdom. Let him that hath understanding count the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and his number is 666. Yeah, the 666 that we know. Alright, so I'm gonna play this the video. So you guys get the update on what this man, what these people are about,
I met also with Abu Dhabi Exports, and there we are looking for them to fund a project in Guyana. They fund about 90% of the cost, the government 10%, and that has to do with our airport. So the cabinet has approved that to move fully to e-visa portal, and to put in a number of gates at the e-gates. So in the future, hopefully within about 8 months or a year, that it would almost seem paperless coming in through our airport, but with a lot of security features, the software, the cameras that can retinal scan and stuff like that, fingerprint. So they're working with us on a project to do that, and hopefully we will also send our immigration people, customs, to UAE on attachments there. So that was the second thing I met. And then Abu Dhabi Fund for Development. We're working there. We also agreed to a contract that will provide a national identification card. So we are not touching the voter's identification card, the one issued by GCOM, because that's too controversial. They can continue to issue that. So you'd have legislation next year for a new ID card that will have a chip in it. It will be for nationals and people who are resident in Guyana. So if you're coming to work here, you'll have a different color card. Guyanese will have one color card. The chip can store a lot of the biometric data, maybe blood type, data for driver's license, GRA, TIN number, etc. could be used then for a whole range of purposes, but as a secure document. We can eventually use it with this ID now, which will be secure. The system will also be able to, like what we do at GCOM now, you can't have two duplicating numbers. It has a software that shows that if two biometrics are the same, duplicating, the system will pop this up and stuff. So when Guyanese travel and stuff like that,
and you see in this video, you see every time he talks about this biometric, he using his hand on the specific area, marking how it may be used. Alright? So these people are talking about an ID card, but yet still, here's the vice president, he's showing this hand like there's something is going to be placed upon. Alright? Yeah, so I'm just gonna, go up there. You guys could go, get watch the video. Alright, I'm gonna add it also in the link. Let me get back to some precept. Right? I don't want to play it all for for the policy reason that they have on YouTube. They too much of it. Hell, they might take it. Yeah, this is 2 Corinthians chapter 2 and verse 11. Lest Satan should get an advantage of us, for we are not ignorant of his devices. No, we are not ignorant of his devices, because this man's saying one thing, but he's showing something else. Anyway, with that, I want to give our praises to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushai, Ba'ashem Rakachodash. Double honors to the elders and the apostles of JMS. Salutations to you, brothers who's pushing this truth. Continue pushing. Shalom, Brakatah.